Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To be,
là,
to have,
có,
to do,
làm,
to go,
đi,
to come,
đến,
to see,
thấy,
to know,
biết,
to think,
nghĩ,
to say,
nói,
to want,
muốn,
to give,
cho,
to take,
lấy,
to use,
dùng,
to find,
tìm,
to tell,
kể,
to work,
làm việc,
to call,
gọi,
to feel,
cảm thấy,
to try,
thử,
to ask,
hỏi,
to need,
cần,
to become,
trở thành,
to leave,
rời đi,
to put,
đặt,
to mean,
có nghĩa là,
Quiz time.
gọi, gọi, dùng, dùng, biết, biết, cho, cho, cần, cần, đi, đi,
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.